What's up, people? I hope you see normally. This morning, one crazy situation. Guy told me to go in this street, but this is blind street, and I have to drive maybe 1 kilometer in reverse, but with cars and everything. The people are so crazy, my friends. He told me I can drive here normally. But this is not possible. This, I think, will not be possible. It will be, but look at this. I don't know what's happening with the people, but they told me, yeah, go left normally, and when I was arrive, it stays one sign, there is a blind street. I thought it was joke, you know. I cannot believe it. And strange thing is that I didn't see any sign over there. I have to see now, but it will be tough here on the corner. There is one bus small stays. I just cannot believe that this is first time something like this happened to me. And all people are nervous, grandpas, grandmas. Look at this. I think I will not be able here. No, not a chance. Here's not a chance. I will leave you here. I have to see something. Let's try to call this bus driver, but he is not there. Okay, this will maybe, but there's one small Mercedes over here also, who's making me a lot of problem. I don't know what happened with this guy. Maybe this will works, but I have so little space here later. Have to try something else, something like this. I don't know. I just don't want to say anything. Look at that space over there. If there is no bus here, everything will be okay. Okay, something like this. I think it will be better. This goes, perfect. Perfetto. Look at that. Look at the situation, eh? Alex Tomilo, man, you are not normal, you know. I have to drive now, I think, more than 1 kilometer in reverse. I don't know, can you imagine my face? Look, there's no sign anywhere. I don't know, can you imagine my face when I saw the street is blind? I was hard problem here in the curve to go left, you know, from this bus, okay, then between cars, and I was came there. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that the street is blind. My friends, sometimes you just need to be. I don't know what happened with this guy with red car. He just don't want to wait. Let's see something like this. Didn't budge good. Okay. There's a sign, but I thought exactly. But I didn't that because of this street here. I was it was one car over there. I was not able to turn left here. It's a blind street, so everything was my fault. I didn't see the sign, but this guy told me, hey, yeah, normally you can drive further. So I didn't see that sign because I was watching on the tree and everything, and that was all my mistake. That was all my mistake. But if I didn't make mistake, you wouldn't see that this video, and nobody will be satisfied. After all, it's good content on YouTube. I'm in Neukirchen, Vlin, something like that, across Moers. So that was the problem. I didn't see the sign after all. First time I was trying to turn left here, but it was one car also there. Then I was go to the reverse, try to see the tree, see that car, see, because one guy passed and told me, "Yeah, you can go there," and I didn't even watch the signs. Good, everything was good, and after all. So my friends, I told all the time, watch the sign, but look at the situation. Situation not normal for 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm driving to Bonn now. I have 1 hour 14 minutes until there, so first parking place, stay to make a coffee, to drink something, leave stress from me, and drive further. I hope the camera angle was good, because I just put my camera in the middle of the driving. What's happening with these guys? Degrees, 8:30, Friday, 14 May. Beautiful day for drive and work. See you guys later. See you guys in some new adventure. Stay safe. Bye.